Hey, welcome to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, CEO and founder, and we are back to our questions and answers, which is one of my favorite parts of the day. So this is coming in from D. D is asking, hi, Anthony, what is protein-sensitive hair, and how do I know if I have it? So protein-sensitive hair, there's no such thing. Hair is protein, skin is protein, nails are protein. So this is just a gimmick that the corporations are creating for protein-sensitive hair. There's no such thing. They're just doing that to sell more products. The last thing we need are more products. The last thing. When I go to the health food stores, I go to any store, there's so many choices, it's overwhelming. It's not necessary, overkill. Hair is absolutely protein. Just watch our video, shampooing, conditioning, styling products. Use our natural henna if you're going to color your hair, brushing, scalp massaging. Hair is protein. No one has sensitive protein hair. There's no such thing. Corporations don't know what to do next to create more products to sell. Shame on them. Morrocco Method has produced luxurious, natural hair care products. So our next question is coming in from Gloria. Gloria is asking, how much Mystic Healing Hot Oil should I use? Well, it depends on the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair, how much hair you have. But I strongly recommend if you have dry hair, dry ends, put the hot oil on the ends of your hair. So that's really where it needs it. And if the hair is really dry, it's probably split and brittle. So that's where the hair trimming comes in. So look at our lunar calendar and always trim off the ends. Even if you trim off like a quarter of an inch, half an inch, just a little bit, just to make it stop splitting. And especially if they're dry, all they're doing is using up your natural oil. I would say probably you could get about 7 uses out of one bottle of our hot oil. It should be 7 different uses. Use it in good health. So we have Faith from New York. Hi, Faith. Faith is asking, is it better to use the same shampoo twice in one shower? Or is it okay to rotate and use 2 different shampoos in the same shower? Faith is saying, I've been using a liquid shampoo and then a bar shampoo. Is that okay? Yes, absolutely. So I've always suggested to always shampoo twice. Once to get out the debris and the dust, just quick shampoo, rinse. And the second time now is to really do a deep cleaning, stimulating the scalp, stimulating the hair, getting the hair really cleaned. So 2 shampoos is the most natural way to do it. So alternating one of the 5 shampoos. And then if you want the second shampoo, to use the bar shampoo, which is a great idea, actually. You shampoo once with one of the 5 Morocco shampoos, and then you shampoo the second time with the bar shampoo. All right, good question. Thank you. Coming in from Margarita from Southern California. Margarita is asking, my hair is short and thin, and I use a boar bristle hairbrush. Absolutely, everyone should be brushing their hair. Everyone. And when I go into health food stores, they have these plastic brushes, which is a disaster. They have these vinyl hair brushes, which are horrible. This is just going to irritate your scalp, and it does nothing to the hair. So the boar bristle is the closest that we have to our own natural hair and sebum. I suggest strongly always watch our videos. They're all educational. Go to Morrocco Method YouTube. Watch our videos when you're using any products. They'll give you a great education. But yes, short hair, thin hair, I would use our fine boar bristle brush. So not a mixed boar bristle, but a fine boar bristle brush. So boar bristle is the answer. I do that every day, twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day. It's very relaxing, and I find it very stimulating to the back of my neck and the whole scalp. So it gives me a nice chance to release, relax, and get my sebum through my hair. Okay, so the next question is coming in from Nourish. I'm not saying your name properly, but it's 𝙃𝙊𝙋𝙎𝙏 from Tennessee. I have thick hair. Which brush should I use? Definitely the mixed boar bristle brush. So when you have thick hair, so that's the reason why we have the boar bristle brush, and we have a little bit of plastic in there to get some more stimulation to the scalp. So the boar bristle is really necessary for us to have the sebum, that's what our natural oils are, to brush through our hair from our back to the front from the back. And then the plastic basically is just to keep it stronger. So when you brush, you have a little bit more stimulation for air and blood. But it's all about the natural boar bristle. Thank you. Jamie saying, hello, Anthony. I just wanted to let you know how much I love your products. I love Morrocco Method. Also, the new Spring Equinox shampoo bar. It's amazing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we did that as something very special for Spring Equinox. And it smells great. Oh, great. By any chance, will you be coming out with a limited edition shampoo bar for the summer solstice and the fall equinox? Yes, absolutely. For the summer, we'll create a special bar, and for the fall, we'll create a special bar. Limited edition. Jane is also saying, I really love your face cream as well. Yeah, I use it all the time. I love it, especially under the eyes and across the forehead lines. I'm going to look at 81. I hardly have any lines, and I still have my hair. 81. So still living example of Morrocco Method to the rescue, definitely for sure. And then Jamie's also saying, I never want to be without Morrocco Method products. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we really respect your support and your dedication for all of our great Morrocco Method clients, customers. Let's get naturally healthy, happy, and strong. Thank you. We have another question coming in from Bridget. I have been using Morrocco Method since 2016. It's the only product I use on my hair. Good for you. Thank you. Bridget's asking, I would love to know more about curl pop. Video states that it relaxes the hair. I want more tighter curls. But Bridget wants tighter curls. So that's really not what Curl Power does. Curl Power relaxes the hair. Bridget's saying I'm a Caucasian woman with short hair. Would it work to give me more curl? No. So Bridget, instead of using the Curl Power, I strongly recommend using Blood of the Dragon styling gel. So that's really what you want. And that will actually relax and elongate the curls a lot. So you can put it in the hair, crunch it up, let it dry naturally. Then you can either brush it out for a soft look or just leave it alone and don't brush it at all for a nice soft look. So you can play with that. The Blood of the Dragon is really what you're aiming at. Thank you.